A disease in brief. Constant sneezing? Itchy eyes? Blocked nose? Are seasonal allergies stopping you from enjoying the things you love? Hay fever, also called seasonal allergic rhinitis, is an overreaction of the immune system to airborne allergens. Its two most common types are seasonal hay fever, that is often linked to pollen, and perennial allergic rhinitis, where symptoms are throughout the year. Studies suggest allergic rhinitis affects hundreds of millions of people globally and continues to rise. It can affect sleep, concentration, productivity, mood, and overall quality of life. Common physical signs and symptoms. Frequent sneezing. Runny or blocked nose. Itchy eyes, nose, ears, or throat. Watery eyes. Sinus pressure. Postnasal drip. Cough. And disturbed sleep. Mental, emotional and spiritual effects include brain fog, irritability, low energy, poor concentration, feeling drained, disconnected, or less motivated during allergy season. Causes, risk factors and triggers. Most common causes include pollen from trees, grasses, and weeds, dust mites, and mold spores. Other risk factors are family history of allergies, asthma or eczema, and sensitive immune responses. Few of its common triggers may include high pollen days, windy weather, dust exposure, pet dander, air pollution and smoke, etc. If ignored or poorly managed, hay fever may contribute to persistent sinus problems, poor sleep, reduced daily performance, and worsening of asthma symptoms in susceptible individuals. Always consult your GP or a qualified healthcare professional first to rule out underlying conditions, get a proper diagnosis, and find the safest, most suitable treatment, especially if symptoms persist. Here are few wellness support options. Please be sure to read the disclaimer and check with your doctor or a qualified naturopath prior to following any remedy suggested for proper dosing and guidance, etc. Many people explore complementary wellness approaches alongside appropriate medical care. Herbal support. Stinging nettle, traditionally used to support seasonal well-being. Aromatherapy essential oil. Lavender essential oil, commonly used in aromatherapy to encourage relaxation and comfort. Daily nutritional support. Vitamin C is widely used as part of general immune support routines. Homeopathic option. Allium cepa is commonly selected in homeopathy when symptoms resemble cutting onion-like irritation. For the best results, the remedies should be carefully selected to match your unique condition and peculiar signs and symptoms. A simple home remedy. Warm ginger and lemon drink, a traditional seasonal wellness favorite. Are you still unsure where to start or which path to follow? Book a personalized consultation at Mind and Body Clinic to explore holistic care tailored to you, or visit our unique website. Select your condition, match symptoms from the drop-down menus, and shop your starter remedies kit. It is that simple. Take a moment to read our reviews before placing your order. The kit may include herbal and nutritional supplements, essential oil blends, homeopathic remedies, plus dietary and lifestyle guidance for overall well-being. Every person experiences allergies differently. A personalized holistic approach may help support your overall well-being, lifestyle, and seasonal comfort if allergies, hay fever, sneezing, congestion, or recurring respiratory discomfort are affecting your daily life. Avoid self-medication. The wrong choice, even with herbs, can be dangerous. Always seek proper guidance. Thank you for watching. For further help or advice, etc., feel free to send us a text message. If you found this content useful, please like, comment, share, subscribe the channel, and follow for more natural and science-backed health tips.